Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. If the mean of three numbers p, q and r is given as 3, then find the value of under root of 2 to the power p plus q minus r multiplied by 2 to the power q plus r minus p multiplied by 2 to the power r plus p minus q. So first of all, what is given to us in the question is mean of PQR is 3. So how we calculate mean? The sum of all the observation divided by total number of observation. So here mathematically we can write P plus Q plus R as 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Let this be first equation. So this is given to us. Now what we have to find out is we have to find under root of 2 to the power p plus q minus r, 2 to the power q plus r minus p, 2 to the power r plus p minus q. Now since we know a property of exponent x to the power m multiplied by x to the power n multiplied by x to the power p, this can be written or simplified as x to the power m plus n plus p. So we add the powers. So let's add the powers here. So 2 to the power, first power is p plus q minus r, second is q plus r minus p, and third power was 2r plus p minus q. So if we simplify this, we'll get minus r plus r cancel, minus q plus q cancel, minus p and plus p r cancel. So we are remaining with 2 to the power p plus q plus r. Now p plus q plus r is 9, we can see from the first equation. So we can write it as 2 to the power 9. Why? Since p plus q plus r we have derived as 9 from the first equation. Now 2 to the power 9 can be written as 2 to the power 8 multiplied by 2. So that we can take the 2 to the power 8 outside the root, because 2 to the power 8 under root of that will be 2 to the power 4 multiplied by under root 2. So this is equal to 2 to the power 4 is 16 root 2. Root 2 is here. So 16 root 2 is our required answer.